This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, good morning. Welcome back to our channel Oracle Ride. So today is the ninth session of my quick knowledge series. So today I will discuss the two script which we run during our DBMS installation, whether it is a standalone or rack. So just today I will talk about in single instance database installation. So these two scripts are aura inst root.sh and root.sh. So as a part of post installation steps, we execute two script aura inst root.sh and root.sh, and Oracle suggests that to back up these scripts, and these two scripts we should execute as a root user, as it display after the Oracle software installation completes. Okay, so first of all, I will check aura inst root.sh. So first, I will find out where it is located. Okay, so just so this file we will go by user root actually. So this file reside in U0. Just a second. Yeah. So this file reside in U01 app aura inventory. So this is, and if I say ls hyphen altr, so see that this is aura inst root.sh file. If we cat it, so let me show you what actually it contains. So see that it contains this script. Okay, so it is a predefined script, and see you see that it is changing the permission of U01 app aura inventory, and it is creating the aura inventory directory. If you see that, so the first thing, this script must be executed as a root. Okay, and then after that, it is creating the software inventory location pointer file, and then it will created the Oracle inventory file, then it create the inventory directory. If it does not exist, then changing permission of U0 app aura inventory, adding reading write permission for group, removing read write permission for world. Okay, so and it changed the group name to O install, so that is mentioned in the script. Okay, so these are the things which is mentioned in the script, and this if we talk about in language, so this script perform first thing, change the permission of inventory directory denoted by inventory underscore lock in the inventory location pointer file. So where is my inventory file? So uh, cat etc, just a second, cat etc aura inst dot lock. Okay, aura inst dot lock. So this file is basically inventory file, where inventory file location is U01 app or inventory, and install group is O install. Okay, so so adding read write permission for group, removing read write execute permission for world, change the permission of aura inventory to 770, then change the group of our inventory directory to group designated during installation, for example, O install. And third, if the inventory pointer file aura inst.log does not exist, it creates aura inst.log in the location which mentioned in this file. Okay, so so that is, so see that this is the file I'm talking about, cat aura inst dot log. Okay, so this script actually do these things, whatever I have told. Now the second script is root.sh. So just switch to Oracle user. Okay, and let me clear. Then go to cd dollar Oracle home. Okay, so we are here, and in that we need to find root.sh file. So we had ls-altr root.sh. So this file is there. Suppose you miss that after the installation, so you should know where it is actually and what it does. So cat root.sh. So see that this file will do these things. Okay. So let me explain that. So first it will create the log file to store the output of the script root.sh. Okay. And second, it will check the default directory, that is user local bin. If it does not exist, it will create it with permission of 755. If the directory user local bin exists, it will check if the directory is writable, and if not, then it will throw an error. Okay. If and third thing, it will check for existence of three files: db home, ora env, and cora env, and copies these three files to user local bin or any other local binary location which we specified, if suppose. And the script db home is basically called to determine the Oracle home for that as ID and set Oracle home to corresponding value. And db home will also add Oracle home bin to the path environment variable setting. When switching between databases, user can run the ora env or cora env script to set these environment file. Generally we run that, right, ora env. And fourth thing, it will creates the aura, the etab file. Okay, so where it is, cat etc Aura tab. Okay, so this file I am talking about. So it will create this file, and the owner of the file should be Oracle owner and OSDBA group. And when creating subsequent database via DBCA, so the entry of SID and Oracle home will be append to Aura tab file. So if you see the last line of this, I have created the ORCL database, so that line is added here. Okay, and for standalone database installation, changing the ownership to root and permission mention for the following for the following files like Aura, DISM, external job, and wallet actually, and in var temp dot oracle ownership root and permission 1777. So that is actually, and because we know that in Oracle Home some files owned by root user. Okay, so there is a meta-link note 461144.1. You can go and check why these files are are root owner. Okay, that is, and so they change the permission to the following file like Oracle Home Bin, Oracle Home Lib, Oracle Home Perl, Oracle Home JDK, Oracle Home Bin, and MOCAT. So Oracle and next thing, Oracle will install the utilities like FMPUTL and FMPUTLHP into Oracle Home Bin, and root.sh will copy these two files from Oracle Home Bin to OPT ORCL FM map bin folder. Okay, so that is, and these two files are also you can check metalink 394855.1. And for Linux, it will add a large number to file dash max kernel parameter in etcl sys.conf for memory target or Linux. Change the value from 6.4m to you can change 681577 4 actually. So that I have already covered this kernel parameter in my session. Okay, so so that's it. This is the two file which I feel to cover that. So if suppose by any chance you miss that these two files, so these two files you can run later by root user, and from where you can find out I have just shown in my session. So that's it from my side today, and thank you very much for watching my quick series. And please do like, subscribe, and comment so that so that I can create more videos actually to give me confidence and all, because people are watching and not liking and something. So I'm not forcing anybody, but if you do that, so that's good for that my channel. That is Oracle. Actually, this is your channel, not my channel, because you are supporting. That's why I have completed yesterday 100 sessions, 100 YouTube video I have uploaded. So yesterday session was 100 actually, and today is 101, and almost 4,000 subscriber we are hitting very soon. Okay, so if you still waiting for subscriber, so please do subscribe and join our community so that you can check our premium content. And thanks again once again, and happy learning.